Nice doggy. Let's hope the camera's nice and straight. It's like a winter wonderland. Almost. They cleared the streets up nice though, which is good. I don't even know how long we've been recording. I'm gonna let you know when it ends. No guessing work. I was on my videos. I want my GoPro. Hey guys, still 189. There we go. Yeah, so we started another frame, guys. It's going to be a continuation from that video that just ended, I guess. Yeah. Came from Paterson, we're in Hawthorne. Let me put my glove on. I'll show you the temperatures again. 35 degrees. Feels like 28. And with the wind, forget it. It's even colder. Now you got people walking around, enjoying the day. I'll let her go through here. Oop. Thank you. Wow, she moved over like, oh, what are you gonna do? I can't ride over there, there's like no room. I mean, I want to ride my bike. I'm not doing anything crazy. Trying not to anymore. I want to thank my subscribers and my viewers before I forget. Today's Wednesday, the 12th of February already. 2 more weeks will be in March, right? Squeaky brakes, squeaky brakes. Yeah, we'll be in March before you know it. I'll have to clean the bike off later. Hope the camera's straight for you guys for the most part. It is hump here. Oh. Hey, this one, another one. Oh, my brakes, my goodness. That's because I just tightened them all up. Then I seed it yet. And the water too, I guess, the salt in the water. I always clean my brakes. Keep them nice and clean. I didn't mention before, though, I want to upgrade my battery. Yeah. I want to get like a 52 volt battery. 20 amps. $20 amp hour battery. I want to cross, I want to go down that way. I want to make this left in here. Do I cross like I'm a pedestrian? Yeah, why not? Look at over here. Nobody coming over there. Yeah, I'm looking. You know what? I never turned my light on. A nice police officer over here. I never had my light on. That was not too cool of me. But I do now. Hey, the last time we were in Prospect Park, we were way up there. Now you can probably see it with the white clouds. I mean, snow over there in the mountains. Yeah, we were way up there. Those are those condos. There we were looking down. This is what we were looking down at. Yeah. I hope you guys like the videos I made today, because the next couple of days it's supposed to rain and snow again. Last couple of days I know it's been like 6 days I put our video out. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully you guys like this one. Look at how nice this looks here. This is the Hawthorne Brook. This is the water that comes all the way from Wyckoff, all the way down through here into the brook. The pond is over there. Let's jump the curb. Ooh, sorry about my brakes. How's the park? Yeah, it's okay. I'm not going to go fast. This might be ice, got to be careful. Bust my butt. We don't want that. Worst comes to worst, I'll just go into the snow. That'll stop me. See all the salt on the ground here? Ooh, I'll stay in the snow. Hey, I'm surprised they didn't even shovel this. Wow. Okay, so we're right through it. How's that? Let's hope I don't fall. The Hawthorne Brook here. See the brook on my... Oh, look at all the salt they put here. Oh my God, what'd they do? There's a truck? Wow, right by the stream too. Are you kidding me? Look at how much salt they put down here. Oh my God. How you doing? It looks like somebody was using a cross-country skier or something. Yeah, the bike goes, man. Little bumpy, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, not too fast. I go nice and slow here. Here's the bridge. You can go back on the road over here. Warning. Pathway. Oh, it ends over there. It's that hill climb. Yeah, so we'll go this way. We'll go over the bridge. How's this? Huh? Nice. Look at the stream coming around the corner there. And we'll go up this path here. Look at the stream going all the way down to the Pacific River. Looks like there's a soccer ball over there. Alright guys, sorry for that. Not going to see any planes today, so now with the clouds being the way they are. And I hope the camera angle was good, man. If not, we'll have to wait till the next video. Ooh, snow's crunching underneath me. Hey, not a bad ride though. Well, very icy here. They don't look like they did anything here. Oh, they'll go up this hill like no problem. Hey, got a UPS truck here. Oh, it's not on my foot. Looks like a police officer. Ah, that was a nice little ride. Oh, I never put my backlight on. There, now it is. Sorry about that, I had to put my backlight on. School's out. see other kids getting out of school. Let's make it right. Where it's nice and clean. That was a cool ride, right? I got snow on my brakes. I gotta show you this. That's pretty cool. I don't have a kickstand though, guys. Look at, I got snow on my, over here and here. It's all fun. I'll go home and clean it. I have to with the salt. I don't know how many frames it's gonna go. I did one video already. Coming from Paterson to Hawthorne. Now I'm in Hawthorne. Oh, nose is still running. People are going pretty fast. What are you gonna do? Yeah, so I took the bike on a cloudy, snowy, not snowy, but snow-covered day. Yeah. I could bring this to you guys. This beautiful flag over there. I love it. A little one and a big one. So that's the way to fly that one, huh? Okay. Like mine. Properly flown. Right here. Yeah, you don't lock up the brakes on these white lines, that's for sure. Otherwise, you're sliding. Yep. Little wind. Not too bad though. Feet are okay, got my hiking boots on. Nose is running though. Let's go down this way. I was gonna go straight, but we gotta go this way. Is this bus gonna come in front of me? No. Thank you. Alright guys, so we'll bring it home from here. Oh, my brakes are real squeaky. Oh, that's it. They stopped squeaking. Alright. They seated. Yes.